food. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Each little power that opens. Each little bird can sing. He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. The rich man, this is castle. The poor man, this is gate. God made them high and lowly, and order na estate. The purple hid the mountain, the river running by. The sunset in the morning are brightest up the sky. The cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun. The ripe fruit in the garden, He made them everyone. The tall trees in the green wood, the meadows where we play. The rushes by the water, we gather every day. He gave us eyes to see them, lips you might tell. How great is God to my bounty. He made all things well.